Good day. Today we're going to do the peer review part of the continuing professional development. This is the part where you choose your own peer to review your CPD activities. Your peer reviewer can only be a fellow pharmacist who has already done their annual declaration. So what you need to do is to go on your CPD system. Once you have logged in on the secure side of the SAPC website, then you can choose on peer review. Then you can put in the P number of your peer, search, and then their name will appear on the results, and then you can add them as a peer reviewer. Once you have added this person as a peer reviewer, you need to click here on activate in order to activate them to be able to evaluate your CPD activities. If you do not activate this person, they will not have access to your CPD activities. Once you have activated a person and you feel that their job is done, then you can be able to then deactivate that person. So it's your choice if you want to deactivate the person so that they can no longer be able to review your CPD activity. If you yourself was chosen as a peer reviewer, you will not have access to that particular person's CPD activities unless you have done the acceptance, the actual acceptance of you as a peer reviewer. So you come here under peer review and then you choose, you click on accept so that you can be able to review their CPD activities. And if by any means you do not feel comfortable in accessing anyone's CPD activities, then you can decline that request. Thank you very much. That is all we needed to share for the day. Goodbye.